Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. It's been a very long time since I last uploaded, but I feel like I wanted to share with you guys how I have updated my makeup routine. I feel like I've changed some steps here and there, and definitely the products that I use now are very different to the products that I used to use 2 years ago. So I'm gonna be sharing with you guys step by step how I do my makeup, and towards the end of the video I'm gonna show you guys how I recreate the look that I did for Bad Bunny's concert. So just keep on watching and let's just get right into it. So I already went ahead and did my skincare before I started recording. I'm gonna be using this lotion right here. This is gonna help my skin look radiant, look glowy, and look hydrated. My skin looks so much more hydrated. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel to give me that fluffy laminated look. All I do is I use a spoolie and I just go ahead and brush my hairs up. I'm gonna go ahead and clean them up with the Tarte concealer. Now that we have concealed, we're just gonna go ahead and blend out the concealer with the fluffy brush. Now I'm gonna be going in with my Morphe brow pencil and filling in all the gaps. Now that the brows are finished, I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty foundation since we are trying to achieve that glowy finish. I feel like this is such a great foundation and a lot of people don't really talk about it. It's super lightweight, but it's definitely buildable, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of dots all over my face, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with the brush. Now I'm gonna be going with my Wet n Wild bronze stick to warm up my face, and after that I'm gonna go ahead and use my Shape Tape concealer to lighten under my eyes. So I love to use the Real Techniques brush just because it helps me blend out everything. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my beauty blender just to make sure everything looks very smooth and no sharp lines. So now that everything is blended out, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of color with the Rare Beauty liquid blush. I'm just gonna go ahead and dab 2 little circles because this thing is pigmented like you have no idea. I do love blending this out with the brush. I'm gonna go in with the blender. I'm gonna go in with the beauty blender to blend all this out just so it doesn't look as harsh and pink. So now to set under my eyes, I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm also gonna be using this little powder puff. I never understood why everybody loved this until I tried it, and it gave me a flawless under eye. I was in love. You need to check them out. I bought mine in like a pack of 12 on Amazon and they work amazing. Make sure there's no creases under my eyes, and I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes. Can we just admire how smooth that looks? Jeez. Now to bronze my skin, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Hoola Benefit bronzer. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush up, and I'm gonna go ahead and bring it into my temples. I'm going with the powder blush. I'm just gonna go ahead and set the Rare Beauty one just so that one doesn't move. Now with the very tedious brush, I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose. I'm gonna go ahead and start on my eyeshadow. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out the excess concealer on my eye. So for my eyes, I'm going to be recreating the look that I did for Bad Bunny's concert. So all I did was I went in with my Hoola bronzer as a transition color. So for the eyeliner that I'm going to be using, it's called Suva Beauty Hydra FX. It's actually dry and it's water activated, so you just drop a little bit of water in there, you give it a little mix, and it's eyeliner. So I also went ahead and did some blue under my eye. So going in with the black eyeliner, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a regular wing liner. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the blue liner and do a little blue line above the black liner. Now I'm gonna go in with gems. I'm gonna do 3 little gems in the front. So I just dabbed it with black liner and I'm just gonna go ahead and stamp it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara and put on some lashes, and we'll be right back to finish this look. I'm gonna go in with the One Size setting spray. This thing right here works magic. I'm going in with my Morphe Sweet Tea lip liner. I'm gonna go ahead and outline my lips. Going with the nude matte lipstick, and I'm gonna go ahead and add this on the center of my lips. Now it's really up to you if you want to keep it matte or if you want to put gloss, but me, I'm gonna put some gloss because we need to give this a little bit more of a pop. Super beautiful. We're almost done. I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of highlight on my nose, on my inner corner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed recreating my Bad Bunny liner look that I did for his concert. I really loved it. A lot of people gave me so many compliments on my eyeshadow that day that I felt really proud. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day and thank you for watching. Bye guys!